Today we're unboxing a full K beauty skincare routine that promises healthy, glowing skin from morning to night. The packaging feels premium, minimalistic, and clean. Each product has its own color theme, which make the routine super intuitive. Let's go through everything inside and how to use it step by step. First out of the box is the Calm Balm, a rich cleansing balm with olive oil and coconut oil. The texture, buttery, melts immediately on contact with the skin. Purpose, removes makeup, sunscreen, and impurities without stripping the skin. How to use, apply a small amount to dry skin. Massage gently in circular motions. Add a splash of warm water to emulsify the balm into a milk texture. Rinse thoroughly. Next is the Bubble Double, a refreshing foaming cleanser with pomegranate and salicylic acid. Texture, creamy and foam. Purpose, deep cleans pores, removes excess oil, and supports clearer skin. How to use, apply to damp skin after the Calm Balm. Massage into a soft lather. Rinse thoroughly. Now we have the Mist Hub, a hydrating face mist packed with hyaluronic acid and calm lavender. Texture, light, ultra-fine mist. Purpose, instantly revitalize and preps your skin for serum and creams. How to use, spray 2 to 3 pumps onto clean skin. Let it absorb naturally, no need to pat dry. Use anytime you need a hydration boost. Next is the Repair Hero, a serum featuring prebiotics and niacinamide. Texture, lightweight, silky. Purpose, strengthens the skin barrier, brightens dark spots, and improves overall texture. How to use, apply 2 to 3 drops to slightly damp skin after the mist hub. Gently press it until absorbed. Next up is your daily moisturizer, the Make My Dream Cream. Texture, soft, nourishing but not heavy. Purpose, hydrates and protects the skin while supporting slow aging. How to use, apply a small amount to face and neck in the morning after serum. My final thoughts, this K beauty routine is beautifully curated from deep cleansing to hydration, repair, and slow aging care. The textures feel high quality, the scents are calming, and the routine is easy to follow. Perfect for anyone seeking a healthy, radiant glow, day and night. This is your weekly glow treatment, the Detox Clay Mask. Texture, smooth, creamy clay. Purpose, detoxify, brightens, and reduces dullness. Finally, the night treatment, the Midnight Magic, a rich slow aging overnight mask. Texture, velvety, luxurious, deeply nourishing. Purpose, repairs, smooths, and regenerate your skin while you sleep.